The Constitution is under attack. Now, this has been a recurring narrative of the Congress Party and the INDIA bloc. A narrative that many political observers believe worked well for the Congress and the SP in the all-important state of Uttar Pradesh in the Lok Sabha elections. So yesterday, when Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, addressed the Samvidhan Samman Sammelan organized by the Congress Party in Prayagraj, he renewed his attack on Prime Minister Narendra Modi and accused him of running the country on the basis of what he calls a Maharaja model, one where the ruler does as he pleases. Rahul Gandhi then went on to assert that the opposition has forced the Prime Minister to bow before the Samvidhan or the Constitution. He then repeated his non-biological PM jibe and said that the Prime Minister, who claimed that he has a direct connection with God, seems to have realized that his connection ended up being a wrong number.
ये हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों का प्रोटेक्शन है, किसानों का, मजदूरों का ये प्रोटेक्शन है। इसके बिना जैसे पहले होता था राजा महाराजा के टाइम में, जो मूड में आता था कर देते। वो मोदी जी मॉडल चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, महाराजा वाला, वो शहंशाह वाला मॉडल। हमने मोदी जी को ये करवा दिया। आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को नॉन बायोलॉजिकल समझते हो, आप अपने आप को डायरेक्ट भगवान के साथ कनेक्शन समझते हो। रॉन्ग नंबर।
Meanwhile, guess who's calling out Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav on the Samvidhan pitch? It's BSP Supremo Mayawati. In a series of posts on social media platform X, Mayawati accused both Congress and SP of having double standards on the issue of SC, STs and Dalit. She blasted the Congress party for not honoring Samvidhan architect Baba Saheb Ambedkar's contributions and asked, why didn't the Congress give a Bharat Ratna to B.R. Ambedkar? She then went on to ask Rahul Gandhi's party why it did not conduct the caste census when it was in power, and then questioned the Congress and the Samajwadi Party's silence on the sub-classification of SCs and STs when it comes to the creamy layer judgment. Now, this comes at a time when the Congress Party is also now renewing its attack on the BJP over the questions that the BJP then asked the Congress Party. But let's go across to Niyamika, who's joining us live. Niyamika, yesterday at the Samvidhan Samman Sammelan, Rahul Gandhi renewed his attack on the BJP and on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, fired one jibe after the other, and it is almost clear that this is going to be a constant agenda of the Congress Party and the INDIA bloc to corner the government on the issue of, say, Samvidhan or reservations or caste census. Tell us more about the details that you're tracking when it comes to how the Congress plans to take this pitch forward.
Well, indeed, this is a continuous attack which the Congress party is making upon the BJP government, as they are continuously saying that the BJP is against the reservation of SC, ST, OBC, and that's the only reason why they are not ready to conduct caste census. And that was the demand which was being raised by the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi even before the general elections and even during the campaigning of general elections, and in fact in the manifesto as well. The manner in which
just stay with us because we have Vivek Silas of the Samajwadi Party joining us. Vivek ji, मायावती जी का ये कहना है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी और समाजवादी पार्टी के डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है जब ये रिजर्वेशन का मुद्दा आता है। उन्होंने ये सवाल पूछा कि कांग्रेस जब सरकार में थी उन्होंने तब कास्ट सेंसस क्यों नहीं कराया। उन्होंने ये भी सवाल पूछा कि B.R. अम्बेडकर को कांग्रेस पार्टी ने भारत रत्न से क्यों ऑनर नहीं किया। फिर उन्होंने ये भी पूछा कि कांग्रेस और समाजवादी पार्टी SC, ST के सब क्लासिफिकेशन के मुद्दे पे चुप्पी क्यों साध रही है। तो ये सारे सवाल मायावती अभी पूछ रही है आफ्टर दैट अटैक दैट केम इन from Rahul Gandhi yesterday.
What Mayawati ji has said, I think it's not rational as far as Samajwadi Party or the Congress is concerned, because we have always been in the favor of the caste census. It has never been that the Congress has or the Samajwadi Party has opposed it ever. If you see what happened during the elections in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. It was the Samajwadi Party and the India Alliance that stood for the caste census, for the upliftment of the OBCs and the
All right.
SC. Where was Mayawati? Where was Mayawati at that time?
But
She never
Mayawati
uttered
now
a
is
word.
asking that you have been in power longer than the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA. What were you doing when you were in power? That's the question coming in. I have very little time on this newscast, Mr. Silas, but thank you so much for joining us. So the Samvidhan face-off is escalating, viewers. It starts with the pitch of caste census by the Congress party, the narrative of the opposition where it is saying that the BJP is trying to end reservation, and the BJP too is hitting back.